When Word checks the grammar that it thinks you are using in your prose, it follows a set of rules. Fortunately, the program allows you to adjust how those rules are applied. Word includes a full-featured grammar checker that allows you to check your document, or even a section of the document, for common grammar mistakes. Each potential error is displayed, and you are given the opportunity to make changes. Word has a large number of grammar-related settings that control how it checks the grammar in your document. Each one of those settings is a different collection of grammar rules that will be used when you use the grammar checker. Some sets of rules are very strict, with a lot of rules to check, while others are quite lax and better for casual writing. If you find that these styles use rules that are unnecessary, too restrictive, or not quite right for your documents, you can modify them. You start by going over to the File tab of the ribbon and then choosing Options, and that displays the Word Options dialog box. You then want to click Proofing at the left side of the screen. It is these options that you should pay attention to. The first option is a drop-down list to the right of the wording Writing Style. This is a bit of a misnomer because you aren't really specifying your writing style. In earlier versions of Word you could do that, but these days you can only specify if you want Word to pay attention to grammar or if it wants to add refinements into the mix. For most purposes, you can leave this set to Grammar and Refinements, and that's the default that Word uses. Now, go ahead and click on the Settings button. When you do, Word displays the Grammar Settings dialog box. There are many options in this dialog box. Every one of these options reflects a grammar rule that Word should enforce or a category of checks that should be done by Word. You can go through each of these and determine what is appropriate for your writing style. On your system, you'll no doubt notice that some of the checkboxes are selected and some are not. These settings are a little bit dynamic, as they can be affected by choices you make when you right-click on something that Word flagged within your document. If you turn off a rule after right-clicking, then your change is reflected here in these options. When you're done making changes to these rules that are within the dialog box, just go ahead and click on OK enough times that you close all of the dialog boxes. Your adjustments to the settings are implemented right away as Word does its on-the-fly grammar checking. They are also implemented if you do a dedicated grammar check of the document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.